Have you done any shoveling this year? Have you shoveled snow? Now, I've been in the US 9 years. I've lived in Michigan for 2 years. I've lived in Minnesota 3 times for a total of, I'm trying to think, like maybe 5 years. So I've shoveled some snow in my time, and there's nothing worse than shoveling the snow and then you wake up in the morning and guess what? It snowed again, and it's thick snow. Well, if you don't, maybe you've had a snowblower and that's heavy work as well. Well, this is the Snow Joe. It makes light work of shoveling. It's like if a snowblower and a shovel came together and created something that was lightweight, cordless, convenient, and powerful. And we're bringing it to you at a clearance price. Your easy pay on this is $34.80. If you purchase this separately, it would be $350.98. V57366, that's your item number. Just to give a little bit of credibility to Snow Joe here, more than 189,000 Snow Joe snow throwers have been sold here at QVC. So it's a little bit popular. You know, sometimes when you see things on clearance, it's like, oh, maybe they're trying to get rid of them. No, we're not. You absolutely love these. So these are the colors. It comes in either the blue or the black. The black is exclusive to us here at QVC, so you're not going to find it anywhere else. And joining us to tell us all about it is Sean Pickford. Hi, Sean.
Hello, how are you this evening?
Well, warmer than you by the look of it. I'm very well, thanks.
Yeah, well, I mean, look, bro, we all experienced some snow here on the East Coast last week.
Yes.
I still have a bunch left over. You can still see it out in the yard. But we're going to get more here on Sunday.
Yeah.
So this is a better way to do the shoveling because let's face it, that old shovel, you did all the work. Now, with the Snow Joe, this will do all the work for you. It'll move a whole lot of snow, 48 continuous minutes of run time, okay? 240 pounds of snow per minute. So in those 48 minutes, I could move 11,520 pounds of snow with this and never have to bend, lift, and throw again.
That's amazing. That's absolutely amazing because it really is. It's like one of those things that can be incredibly hard work when you have to shovel snow. And like I say, when you wake up and then you have to do it again and again. Yeah. When you get this home, Sean, is there any setup straight out of the box?
So when you get it home and get it out of the box, it's going to come in 2 pieces. The top piece here is going to slide into the bottom piece here. So it plugs in, all right? The 2 poles plug together. You tighten this guy down. You're going to take your handle here and put it on, and I have it set for my height. I'm about 6 feet tall. So this makes it so I can stand up straight when I'm using it. Your battery's already going to have a charge on it, but you can also check it. There's a little button on the back of the battery that you can hit that button and the little lights will light up. You should have 2 or 3 dots lit up on it. So 3 dots is a full charge. And that gives you the runtime. And just to show you how easy it is to use, watch. I'm just going to step over here, and I'm going to shoot some snow out into that direction. Watch. That fast, I was able to move a bunch of snow right down to the concrete here on my driveway, and I didn't have to lift anything. I didn't have to twist. All you do is push this like a vacuum cleaner. That's how easy it is to use.
Oh, I love that. It's literally like you're vacuuming the snow. That's such a great way. I was saying it's like if a snowblower and a shovel, but no, it's just like you are vacuuming the snow. And how do you decide where, because it's a snow thrower, how do you decide which way you want the snow to be thrown?
Okay, so there's a little handle on here. So when I pull back on the handle, right, now I can adjust where I want the snow to throw. So now I have it off to the right. I had it at the center before, where I can have it over to the left. Because let's face it, you don't want to put the snow back where you just went, especially if you're clearing the driveway or something like that. So watch, now I have it more off to the right, so it's going to angle over this way. So I can aim it like I'm going to point it at the car, but it's going to go off to the right. By just changing that little handle, by pulling this forward, all right, you pull it up, it locks into place. Now it's set to go straight. If I needed it to go over to the left, I can do that as well. And here's the magic behind it, all right? See this little thing right here?
Yeah.
That's the little piece that's your snow plow, all right? So this is what scoops up to the snow. It scoops into here, and then this paddle here grabs the snow and pushes it through the chutes and throws it 21 feet out of the way.
Sean, do you know what I'm loving as well? That there are no blades in there. I mean, obviously
No.
there's plastic, but I'm not seeing anything metal or anything scary like I'd see in one of those old-fashioned lawnmowers. That it looks very, you know, it feels like most people can use this who are over 18.
Well, that's it. And we also put safety measures in it. So when you go to use it, if I just push down on a little button to start it, it won't go on its own because I have to press in the safety switch. We made that safety switch up here, so it's all one-hand operation, and we put it on the left or the right. So whether you're right or left-handed. The other thing, too, is even if I was touching everything down here, it's still 4 feet away from where the safety controls are. We did that so we make sure that everything's nice and safe when you're using it, because these are powerful. This is our most powerful battery that we have. And this is our most powerful snow thrower, longest runtime.
Okay, we know that there's snow coming. We know that winter is coming, and it's coming on Sunday here on the East Coast, and it's also coming to the Gulf Coast on Monday.
Right.
Like everywhere you look, there is a polar vortex coming in from Siberia. So we are talking snow, ice, sleet. We're talking, we're talking school outages. We are talking potential power outages. This is the way to be prepared, and it's on clearance. More than 3.1 million Snow Joe and Sun Joe products have been sold here at QVC. So, it really speaks to just how credible the brand is, just how beloved the brand is. And this is just like vacuuming, but vacuuming your snow. So you're really taking the hard work out of shoveling and making it as easy as picking up the vacuum. V57366, that's how you're placing your order, and give us a call, 800-500-7590. Sean, I noticed that he's using it, I mean, that looks like decking, and
Yes.
What kind of surfaces can I use this on, and are there any that I shouldn't use this on?
So great question. Yeah, we've tested this on all different surfaces. So he's using it on that special Trex decking, so you can use it on your driveway. You can use it on the decking, whether it's the special synthetic or it's wood. You can use it out in the yard. I have 2 small dogs. If I don't clear a spot in the yard, they're going to want to do their business in the house. All right.
Yes.
Even cobblestone or uneven surfaces. Maybe you have pavers and patios. You can use it on there. Definitely the sidewalks. Maybe you have some tile outside. Don't use it on any soft surfaces. People say, can I clean off my hot tub cover with it? I don't recommend that, okay? Just because it's a hard surface on the bottom there. So, but anything else, feel free to, driveway, patio, deck. I have a deck above me here that I clean off with. So I have a great Snow Joe snow shovel with a special handle on it, but I use this all the time because it does the steps, does the driveway, does the sidewalk, does everything I need. And when I'm done at the end of the season, there's no gas or no oil to worry about, so I can store it in a coat closet if I want.
Yeah, that's so true, because having to drain out the snow, the snow blower to then put it away. Yep, I've been through that whole thing when I was living in Michigan. It's a process. It's a process. But this really makes it so much easier. So I have a question. Obviously, with our cell phones, when they start to run out of charge, we charge them. Do we have to wait for the battery to be empty in this before we recharge it, or can we use it and charge it and use it and charge it just like we would our phone?
You can do that. We recommend that you run it down as much as you can, and there's an easy way to check. So on the back of the battery here, there's a little button. When I press it in, those 3 little dots light up. So it's right there. Now you can take it off. All you do is pinch the 2 sides to take it off. You can check that anytime you want. Each one of those dots there, and I have 2 of the 3 that are still good on mine that I've been using all day. All right. There's 16 minutes apiece with those dots because it's 48 continuous minutes of use. So you got plenty of runtime. If you own another one of our Joe products, as long as it says, see that where it says 24V, as long as it says 24V, you can interchange the batteries. And we have over 70 different tools at QVC and QVC2 that, interchange and use this type of battery. So we made it so we have one battery so that you can just keep on, shuffle, whatever you need to do.
It's amazing. It's so powerful. It's so easy. Like, seriously, I loved the Michigan snow. Like Minnesota snow, not so much. Michigan, it's like big, fluffy lake effect snow. It's all pretty. But when you wake up and it snowed again as heavily, I'm trying to think what year this was, but it was snowing every day from like Christmas Eve to the end of February. It's a lot of work, but it doesn't have to be. If you know you're somewhere snowy and you're dreading next week, thinking, oh, I'm going to be out there every day. I've got to get the kids to school. I've got to get the car out. Just think how much easier it could be with the Snow Joe. If you purchase this separately, it could be $354.98, but we're bringing it to you here at the Q on clearance at $173.99. But clearance means no reorder. So don't wait around. Your easy pay on this is $34.80. And if you've ever shoveled snow, you know that that is a good price to pay to not have to pick up a shovel. Or also, if you've ever had to put away a snowblower at the end of the year and drain the gas and make sure it's safe to put it in the garage and clear the space to put it in the garage, again, you know that this $34.80, it's a great price. V57366, that's the blue that we're looking at now. And we also, the blue is actually going quite quickly. And we also have it available in black. This color is actually exclusive to QVC. Remember, you're getting the Snow Joe itself, and this is a snow thrower. That's what we're talking about. And it also comes with the battery, which I can show you up on the desk here. So this is the battery. So you don't have to worry about gas. You don't have to worry about plugging it in. It's got a quick charge, and then that's the battery that you're using, which is going to give you up to a 48-minute runtime. So think about that. Okay, Sean, I have a really specific question. So you can choose the direction of how it throws the snow, either that way or that way by turning it. Say you want to do like your front yard, where's the best way to start? Do you sort of start in the middle and throw one way and then do the other way? Like, how would you do it?
Well, in my case, my fence is probably about 30 feet away, so I can throw it straight out. But if you don't want to put snow on someone else's property, angle it away from where you want to put that snow. So it's that easy to do. I usually start at one end, and I can push and go all the way through if I want. Or a lot of times I just like to do a little bit here, a little bit there, back and forth. Then if you get a big snow mound like this where you plow your driveway through at the end, people say, how am I going to get through that? Well, that's the beauty of this, because even with the battery, it's less than 13 pounds. I can start at the top and just work my way through that pile until I get to it. So sometimes you plow the driveway and then the snowplow comes through and plows it all closed again. This will get you out because, again, you can pick it up and you can start no matter how deep it is. Now, it's nice and wide, so you can clear a 13-inch path, all right, on a single pass and 7 inches deep. Anything deeper than that, just start at the top, skim your way through it, and you're ready to go.
That's such a great tip, because sometimes, yeah, like when you do, because there are different types of snow. Like we know that, there's the really like compact ice, and then there can be big fluffy snow, which, as you say, it can get really, really deep, but you can still work your way through it. I love the way you describe that, because it sounds like you're kind of digging into ice cream, just like working your way down and going through the layers.
That's pretty much it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you start at the top, work your way through. And yeah, I do have a heavier wet snow because it was warmer here today. So this is great for making a snowman or snowball. So even on the heavy, wet snow like this, I can just shoot it out this direction. You can see it throws it. I can throw the snow all the way over the top of the car. My car's about 10 feet away. And I can go all the way over the top of the car. That's how far it will throw the snow at 21 feet. So that's what I love about this. You basically run it through once. That's all you have to do. So I don't need to put down salt here or anything else when I'm done, because it gets right down to the surface that you're cleaning. But it doesn't, that paddle there, the thrower, doesn't touch those surfaces. So that's why you can use it on a composite deck or a wood deck or your patio pavers or anything like that. So great tool to use even on steps. It's awesome for steps. So steps can be really hard to clear. This does a fantastic job.
Yeah, especially with a spade, because a lot of steps are concrete or wood, and you wouldn't want to be using metal against that. But you can use the Snow Joe. This is a cordless directional snow thrower. It comes with the charger. It's on clearance at $173.99, which makes your easy pay $34 and change. And you've got the choice of the blue that you're seeing there, which has been very popular, or the black. V57366, we know snow is coming, and not just snow, we're talking polar vortex level weather is coming to the East Coast and to the Gulf Coast. So are you somebody who needs to be up in the morning? Are you somebody, this week, I don't know what it is. I feel like most of us actually get our weather from each other. Like when there's bad weather coming, someone will tell you, like, hey, there's a storm coming. But nobody, Sean, here seemed to know that it was going to snow yesterday. Like it just came out of nowhere. And I ended up scraping my car 3 different times. You know, so if you're somebody, because it didn't just snow, it snowed and then it stopped and then it started snowing again and it stopped and it started snowing again. You know, imagine if that's your driveway and you are somebody who's kind of in and out and you need to be doing the driveway. Think how much easier it's going to be with the Snow Joe. It's like vacuuming snow, super, super lightweight, weighs 13 pounds, I believe. Is that right, Sean? 13 pounds?
Yeah, 13 pounds with the battery on it. So there's
Yeah.
also a 4-year warranty that comes with that. So if you go to one of those home stores and try and buy something like this, chances are you're going to get 30 days if you're lucky. We give you 4 full years and we cover everything from the tip gear